I'm so excited to spend 1 week with you in Japan. Carry your bag, man. Ayaw nyo, guys. Sumpa mo sa... Ang ganda naman ng denim jacket mo, ma. Saan mo kinuha yung denim jacket mo?
Sa ukay-ukay.
What's up, guys? So, oh my gosh, we're vlogging again. I don't know when this video is gonna be released, pero we're vlogging again. Wow. Stay tuned kung saan tayo pupunta. Exciting to. So, let's go. Ayun, guys. I just finished taking a shower. Bibihis lang ako. Oh my gosh. It's 5 a.m. guys. 8 a.m. yung flight namin. Hindi talaga ako fan ng early flights, guys. Oh my gosh. Ayun, guys. Simple lang naman ako pag nabibihis. Lalo na pag sa plane. I wanna keep it basic. Black t-shirt, joggers, yun lang naman. And sneakers, yun lang. Tapos pang nabig tayo, ever naman. So guys, paalis na tayo ng bahay. Huwag na rin kayo magulat kung wala sa mood si mom mag-vlog kasi sobrang aga. And lagi yung nagpapanik kapag mag-travel kami. Sorry in advance.
Hawak ko ang beat. Hawak ko.
So para lang malinaw sa inyo guys, yung timeline pala nito. Timeline? Holy Week ngayon. Doon kami mag-Holy Week ng parents ko sa Japan. May gusto pala mag-buy sa inyo guys. Kambal ko pala siya.
Hello,
Miguel.
Ito to si Miguel dito.
Comment down below sino mas pogi sa amin, Miguel. Ayun guys, maglalayas na tayo ng bahay. Sana wala akong nakalimutan. We're gonna leave na. See you in the airport. Good morning guys. So, we're here na sa airport. Si Mudra, wala sa mood. Nakalimutan niya yung cellphone niya. Na-stress siya guys, na-stress siya. Somebody help us! Tingnan natin na magsusurvive tayo ng Holy Week trip without fighting with moods. Traumatizing. I'm so excited to spend 1 week with you in Japan. I'm so excited for all the utos, all the sermon, all the...
Snipes!
Why are we still here? May I carry your bag, madam? Please hold the camera, madam. Carry your bag, madam. Ayaw nyo guys. Why can't you be like the other moms, poging-pogi sa anak nila? Why are you like that?
The woman was too stunned to speak.
You're so rude.
You're old.
Maala-ala mo kaya ang sumpa mo sa akin. Hi. Does she want to with us? Gen Z inspired. That is Gen Z trying hard. Hajime Mishti! Youngsta na. Yan na guys, nasa Japan na tayo guys. Naglalakad tayo sa streets of Ginza. It's one of the favorite things ako about here pag sa Japan. Sobrang quality ng makukuha nyo. Kahit saan. Even kahit nakapack or kahit mura, masarap. Ako.
Kalyo ka ba? Ha?
We weren't supposed to leave anymore for Holy Week just because of everything that's happening. We booked it like last December pa, so we were like, okay, we'll just go. But yun nga, I was supposed to actually go to Spain short after this kasi papakasal yung best friend ko pero di na natuloy, unfortunately, because of the whole situation. Nag-away na kami ni Mudra, so kaya mag-isa na ako naglalakad.
Meanwhile,
Oh, look who I bumped into. Just bumped into my mom. Or did I? Maybe may tracker siya sa akin.
Target locked.
Every step. Oh my gosh. I need to be a bird, mama. You gotta let me fly.
I believe I can fly.
Mudra is buying makeup. Wow. Maya? Yummy. Nadamay rin ako. Ako ng fried.
The food trip.
Wow. Oh my gosh. So grabe guys, nabili ko na yung brand na hinihintay ko. Nabilhin talaga dito sa Japan. And I'm so proud na nabili ko na finally. Uniqlo guys, Japanese brand talaga siya. And grabe, I'm so happy I was able to. Pero real talk guys, nasa Japan ka, bibili tayo na mas mura. Dito, so umili ako. Like, for example, yung button down sa mga 2.5, ganun, diba? Or 2K sa Pinas. Dito guys, mga 1.3 lang. So makakatipid ka talaga. Did I just say convenient of having a convenience store? Pero yun, hanap tayo ng pwedeng kainin tonight. Oh! Wow! That's pancakes, salmon thing, and a green smoothie. Manunod lang ako ng Netflix while we're at it. Kanin pa. Lahat. Good. Guys, di nyo naman matanong, pero tingnan mo yung pag-upo ko guys, goated. O, diba? Yan ang setup. O, diba? Actually, snack ako talaga yun para may dramatic effect. Pagka... Okay. I'm watching The Immortal Man. Peaky Blinders, one of my favorite series ever. Ever. So, tumambay lang muna ako guys. It's 10:30 ata here. So, magsha-shower lang ako. Hindi kayo sasama. Hindi kayo sasama. Good morning, guys. It is day 2 of here in Japan. We're gonna have lunch in a bit. Bibili lang ako ng coffee. Ang ganda naman ng denim jacket mo, ma. Saan mo kinuha yung denim jacket mo?
Sa ukay-ukay.
So many places to go to here. Yet you're still the most beautiful person here.
Hawak mo ang pi. Hawak mo ang pi. What is that fish? You want to try cherry blossom?
Ito na yung cherry blossoms na sinasabi natin, guys. Ito na yung cherry blossom. Blink once if you need help. Blink twice if you need more help. Help me! Help me! Can I try also? Sweet! My turn.
Nope.
Huh?
Why are we still here?
My turn. Ba't pag si Dad, same spoon, ba't pag ako different? Back in the room, drop of peeps. Tatlo lang kami ng parents ko. Pero sana enjoy pa rin kayo sa vlog kong ito. Wala rin naman kaming ginagawa na. Yun lang, lakad. Nakatakil. Bonjing! We're gonna meet Mudra. It's raining pa rin. Oh my gosh, ang hirap pa na mag-vacation kapag raining. Pero buhay pa yung tubig ko guys, by the way. Pero grabe ulan ngayon guys. So. Rain! One payong down. Mom versus payong.
Get ready for the next battle.
Mama, can you hear me? Naisip ko lang day of our stay here in Tokyo. Fit of the day. It's not so bad. Meron naman kasing gym sa hotel, kaya lang it's not worth it. That makes sense. So kailangan ko ng proper machines and stuff to be able to gym properly. Help me! And sarap rin mag-gym dito kasi naganda ng equipment nila. Thank you. Also guys, I'm pretty sure pagka-release ng video nito, this is like my pang-ilang vlog pa lang. So, comment down below if you have suggestions of things you want me to do. I am open to trying almost anything, and I mean anything. Guys, can I just say, my buong outfit ko pala, hindi pala ako bumili. So, itong jacket from my lolo, itong shirt from a fan na pinadala sa akin. The pants are from my friend, sina Daniel, pasalubong nila from Spain. Yung shoes lang pala yung galing sa akin. Hello, babe. Babe, nandito na ako. Sa may mga puno. Kung saan tayo nag-meet nung una. Alam mo yung first Japan trip natin. Kung saan, yung nawala tayo. Nandito na ako waiting for you, babe. I love you.
Nope.
Practice lang, guys. Practice lang. Ka-live lang ako. Practice lang.
Ang galing! Ang galing!
Second sermon of the trip. Like a true Filipino mom. Can't we just pretend to be happy? Oh my gosh.
Pagod na po ako.
Feels like principle, guys. Principle. Strategy. Umalis muna ako, guys, kasi sobrang tamad ko mag-fit. Maybe I'll go muna to Zara. Ang haba rin ng pila. So, funny na pumunta ako dito para bumili ng mga stuff. Nandun rin sa Philippines. Pero mas mura, so... Grabe kayong mga Japanese. Nakuha nyo na naman. Ang gagaling nyo talaga. Appreciate it. Ben, grabe naman tong ilaw na to. Parang babunin na ako ni Lord. But I got some few things to fit kasi yung dalawa dito wala sa Manila. And yung pants, matagal ko nang gusto kunin sa Manila pero parang sabi ko hintayin ko lang dito kasi feeling ko mas mura. And tama nga ako, after tax refund, mas mura nga siya. Nick, nagmukhang Justin Bieber. Sobrang weird ng fit. Ayaw ko.
Gotta go and make him sorry.
Itong top nila, maganda. Medium. Yung large nila, guys, maganda rin naman. Pero parang sobrang relaxed fit. Ito ulit, guys, large naman. Ibang design. Putik. Pang performer.
Say for me sorry.
Wala na, guys, medium talaga. That's my size. So I'm getting 2 shirts and I will get the pants. Ito lang mahirap pag madaming layers eh. Mga plus 20 seconds to magbihis, guys. Grabe. Kakamiss ng konting init ha. Ang labig niya kasi sa akin eh. Yung weather. Ayun na, guys, super bagsak presyo. Not much super, but I got it for like 5K yen times 0.38. So, that's almost like 4K for 2 shirts. So, lumalabas siya parang 2K each. Eh, pag Zara, Philippines, laging ano yun, 2.5 yung mga ganun. 2.90, 2.5. So, ayun na rin. And I really wanted it kasi yung luma kong ganun na white. Kinain ata ng daga. Baka kinain ng tao or ewan ko. Not bad naman yung gym, guys. Kaya lang, ano pwede ko gawin? Medyo bitin to. Eh, kung mag-gym na ako, susulitin ko na. Pero hindi ko alam gano'ng kalaki yung isang gym eh. Pero siguro, i-go ko na yun mag-isa. Sabihin ko na dad ko. Okay, so we got the goods. We are going now to Gold's Gym. It's an 8-minute walk. I brought everything. I even brought separate bag for shoes, which is very unlike me. Sa Philippines, susutin ko na kung ano yung susutin ko sa gym. But since they're very clean here, nung pumunta ako before, nung nagsa-Century 2 na pa ako and sobrang passionate ko sa gym,
Nice.
ay, they required talaga na may separate bag ka for your shoes. So, 2 shoes na din. Which is a hassle but also, you know, it maintains cleanliness. Ngayon ko lang na-realize mali yung pagbayong ko. Kasi dapat ganito. Away from the direction of the rain. Wala naman kasi sa rain sa likod hindi ako nababasa. Approaching me. So my question to you is when are you gonna approach me?
Makakandaan ka pa naglakad, madulas.
Buddha. Kung magkasakit man ako, wala naman mag-aalaga sa akin.